Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide tabs outward to unlock and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove DVD drive. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Unscrew, then remove access door. Disconnect wireless card. Disconnect wireless card. Unscrew, then remove access door. Then separate clips and remove memory. Next, disconnect CMOS battery. Now unscrew bottom base. Now unscrew hinges. Pry apart power button cover. Next, disconnect and remove Bluetooth card. Next, unscrew display cable. Disconnect and remove display assembly. Now unscrew and turn over keyboard. Disconnect and remove keyboard. Then separate clips and remove memory. Then unscrew and remove palm rest. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Now unscrew and disconnect circuit board. Now disconnect speakers. Then unscrew and disconnect card. Now unscrew and disconnect express card cage. Then disconnect cable. Disconnect cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Now unscrew and remove cooling fan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.